Okay, hit the button. Come on, go up, go up! Fuck! Yeah!
Good job, Peter. Well, I thought it was going to
Okay, push the button. That one was way better. Okay, baby, get her done. And go. Holy shit, it's that high this time.
Yeah.
Damn! Come on, come on, come on!
There you go.
Fuck. Of course, the parachute fell off. Damn. Nope, and booster done. Okay, baby, put the key back in. Put the key back in. Check if it's light working. And then press the button. Whoa! Okay, we definitely need a stronger. We definitely need a stronger engine for the glider.
Definitely a bigger one, huh?
Stronger engine for the glider. Yep. Everything ready? Oh, it's fucking windy. And blast him. Again. Fuck.
Too heavy. The other one, put the other one on.
Yeah.
And do it.
Watch it.